Alright guys, I'm very tired right now because I'm very busy after filming the elevators, and I just draw an elevator call button using cardboard because yeah, look at this. Interesting call buttons, all my collections here. The fact is, I'm not gonna buy the real elevator call button because it's very expensive, so I'm gonna do it instead of buy the elevator call buttons. As you can see, to the left shows a ground floor, and then a down panel there is a Sigma elevators that I just drew, and this one as well. Two elevators call button up and down. The left one shows basement 2 and the right one shows at ground floor. It is similar like Sigma call button. And you guys asked me that how hard to draw this call button using cardboard. Well, that is not hard. That is very easy though to draw it. As you move on to the right, and here is, it's a Schindler 3300 AP call button. There is an up button, up and down button, and there is a down button. There is a Schindler 3300 AP call stations. And as you can see to the right here, it is a very long drawing here. Spending an hour doing this. You can see here there is a Sigma fixtures, but I don't know what type of fixtures are because I'm just getting started. And here is the door open, door close button. I wonder what this red means. It means that the button have been pushed by someone, so I just draw it red. There's a 2HB. Alright. It is look like Sigma iris call station or floor panel or something. Here it is. Is it look like similar like Sigma iris floor panels? There is an up and then there is down, up and down lantern. There is emergency button, and this is a sound. As you can see, this is brand is Sigma passenger elevators, 1150 kilograms and 17%. At the top here, you can see the floor indicator. It shows B, which is we're on the top floor right now. There is a B. Alright. As you can see to the down here, you can see the Sigma iris fixtures, I think. There is a second floor fixtures. There is a bell, emergency button, door open button, and there is here, this is down button when you call the elevators. Alright, as you can see to the right here, it is, I do a Mitsubishi call button. This is an up and down button. There is a down button. Also, I do the Mitsubishi hall call button. This is, you may know why I do black. This is why I'm coloring black. That is because I'm doing about the floor indicator shows like this. When the elevator power turn off, shows blank like this. A Mitsubishi elevators. This is an up and down button. There is a key switch to turn it on, off, and run the elevators, as well as the right one. This button can be found at the ground floor only, and this one too. This one maybe on every floor. This is the down button. Call stations, when you're already on the top, you only press the down button here to call the elevators. Alright, last and final pieces. I do my collection of the elevators. As you can see here, the 4 call station this is a Kone call stations. There is an up button with the key to turn it on and turn it off. There is the up and down button for the Kone. As you can see here, when the call button is up and down, you never see the keyhole, right? But anyways, you can see the keyhole when you are in the ground floor like this. When you go to the ground floor using Kone elevators, you will see the up and down button, and also you can see the keyhole on it when you're on the ground floor. This is as well, this is the same. And this is the down button, Kone down button. Here he is. Well, as you can see to the right, here he is. It's a Hyundai call button. The indicator shows the arrow going down. It's a Hyundai. Think I'm gonna film this maybe next year, or I don't know, maybe according to the situations. Because of COVID-19, I was unable to do film elevators. Right, as you can move on to the right here, you can see the Mitsubishi call buttons. This is the up and down button. This is the up and down button for single elevators. And here, you can see the floor panel and the same fixtures on it. Yeah. Okay, so maybe that's all for my collection for today. I hope you like it. And also, what do you think of my collection, Jim, aka Jim Lee Elevators? Samuel, aka Sumo Soft Ink, what about you? Do you like my cardboard drawing about the elevators? And what about you, Diesel DC? Are you like it? Do you like these call buttons that I just do? What do you think of the call button, Andrew, aka Diesel DC? Yep, so, and GC95 elevators, what about you? It's a very nice elevators. I mean, it's a very nice call buttons. It is really nice though. But I think I'm gonna update you as I could when I do this call button. I think I have not done yet. Maybe we'll see in the futures. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video, guys.